Hello, today I'm going to do a tutorial on propagating rosemary cuttings in water. I've previously done a rosemary cutting tutorial in dirt, and in the Arizona sun that's not very successful, I've come to realize. And so I've also done some cuttings in water, and that's a lot more successful, especially when I leave them in the house. They just can't take that those 120 degree temperature spikes. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, and I'll show you what to do. You do as I'll show you right now. So first you're going to want to find yourself a rosemary bush that has some long stems that you can make some cuttings of. And as you can see here, I have quite a few that I could take cuttings of if I wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and take a cutting so you can watch how it's done. Simply identify a spot you want to cut. This one looks nice. This one looks better. I'll cut this one off. See if I can do this with one hand while holding my phone. Okay, try to catch it with one hand. And I like to tear off the needles near the bottom that'll be underwater, since they'll just rot underwater. Tear those off, and you don't have to be too careful. It'll tear off some of the outer bark, revealing the cambium layer, which is where those roots are going to pop out. So it's kind of perfect. This looks good. Take off a little bit more of these. My water level will probably go up to about there. That's what it should look like. And there you go. And now we just need to grab a couple more cuttings and bring them in the house. As you can see, here it is. I'm just going to go ahead and drop it in with its friends here in this container. Let it sit in water for a few weeks and we'll see what happens. And here we have a few weeks later, and look what we have. That looks promising. Let's pull a few out and see what they look like. Let's see here. Just grab one. See, we have some little roots here. I don't know if I'm quite ready to put this one in the ground, but that's an amazing start. Let's see if I can grab the one that has all these roots on it. Here it is. Look at this one. That is impressive. That's what I'm talking about. That's probably enough roots to be able to maintain turgor pressure, which is just enough moisture in the leaves so that it doesn't wilt. You roughly want about as much roots as you have surface area of leaves, and maybe a little less. But anyway, that'll work, and I'll fix this when I have both hands. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.